Gentlemen, a question for you. Even if you exercise every day, eat your protein, and take your usual supplements, do you still feel like your muscles aren't growing? Or worse, you're slowly losing strength? What if I told you that magnesium supplements, which so many of us rely on, might not actually help your muscles rebuild at night? That's right. There are two vitamins you should take specifically at night that work far better while you sleep to help your muscles grow stronger, recover faster, and preserve your independence. Stick with me because I'll reveal the second best nighttime vitamin. Easy to find. The absolute best vitamin most people overlook. And the 3 supplements you should never take at night because they could quietly sabotage your muscle gains. Before we dive in, take a moment to like this video, comment below, where are you watching from? And subscribe to Dr. Jocelyn Men's Health, so you don't miss these vital tips for men over 60. Most seniors have been told, take magnesium supplements, eat protein, lift weights, and your muscles will grow. Here's the truth. Magnesium alone is not enough to stimulate overnight muscle repair, especially as we age. Biologically, your muscles do up to 70% of their repair and growth at night, particularly between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Without the right vitamins, your body's repair signals slow down. Emotionally, feeling weak or stiff affects confidence, mobility, and independence. We all want to maintain strength for everyday tasks, hobbies, and family. Practically, missing this nutrient window means your morning walk feels harder, lifting groceries is tiring, and your muscles never fully recover from exercise. So forget magnesium at night. Let's focus on the vitamins that actually work with your body's natural repair cycles. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and for the past 5 years, I've specialized in helping men over 60 rebuild muscle, restore mobility, and maintain independence naturally. I've treated hundreds of seniors frustrated that doing everything right, exercise, protein, supplements, still wasn't yielding results. The missing link? Nighttime vitamins that activate muscle repair and hormone signaling while you sleep. Today, I'm giving you the exact 2 vitamins you need, plus the 3 you should never take at night, so you can maximize muscle growth and recovery. Before we dive into the vitamins, let's cover 3 common mistakes seniors make that sabotage nighttime muscle repair. Mistake number 1, taking magnesium and other supplements indiscriminately at night. Most seniors think magnesium is the secret. It's not enough by itself. Your muscles need specific vitamins to trigger repair. Mistake number 2, ignoring timing. Even the best vitamins won't work if you take them at the wrong time. Sleep is when your body releases growth hormone and turns protein into muscle. Mistake number 3, taking stimulatory supplements at night. Certain supplements, B complex, vitamin C, caffeine, can disrupt sleep, spike cortisol, and block muscle protein synthesis. Most seniors don't realize this, and it silently slows their progress. Avoid these mistakes and you're already ahead. But the next section is where your muscles truly start rebuilding. Number 1, vitamin D3. This is your second best nighttime supplement, but it's surprisingly effective. Biologically, during sleep, vitamin D3 activates VDR receptors in muscle cells, signaling muscles to absorb calcium and phosphorus, essential for contraction and growth. It also promotes testosterone production, which helps your muscles use dietary protein more efficiently overnight, reduces muscle inflammation so your muscles recover faster. Emotionally, regular vitamin D3 intake helps you feel stronger, more mobile, and less frustrated by aging muscles. Practically dosage, 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal containing healthy fats. Natural sources, grilled salmon, roasted mushrooms with rosemary, mashed sweet potatoes with grass-fed butter, or a splash of cod liver oil in salad dressing. Add a glass of fortified milk before bed to reach approximately 500 IU for overnight repair. Evidence. Harvard research followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D. Those supplementing daily gained 2.8 pounds of muscle versus just 0.4 pounds in the control group. Number 2, zinc. Now the absolute best nighttime supplement. Zinc is critical for muscle repair hormones during deep sleep. Biologically, controls 300 plus enzymes that rebuild muscle fibers, optimizes amino acid transport into muscle cells for synthesis. Deficiency, 40% of seniors, slows muscle repair by up to 60%. Emotionally, zinc helps you wake up feeling less sore, more energetic, and confident in your daily movements. Practically dosage, 15 to 30 milligrams of bioavailable zinc per capsule. Take with water 2 hours before bedtime for best absorption. Evidence. University of Michigan study, 120 zinc-deficient seniors, 12 weeks, 20 milligrams daily, 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis, and 40% faster recovery. Vitamin D3 and zinc together create a powerful nighttime repair combo. But there's a catch. Certain supplements can cancel this effect. Even with D3 and zinc, these three common supplements can destroy muscle recovery if taken before bed. 1. B-complex vitamins. Stimulate the nervous system, raise heart rate, and interfere with deep sleep, which is when growth hormone peaks. Cortisol spikes can break down muscle protein instead of building it. Example, Margaret, 87, switched B-complex to morning, regained 2 pounds of lean muscle in 3 weeks, and slept better. 2. Vitamin C. High antioxidants at night blunt oxidative stress signaling, which is necessary to trigger muscle repair pathways. Mildly stimulating, disrupts slow-wave sleep. Example, Harold, 79, shifted 1,000 milligrams vitamin C from evening to morning. Soreness decreased, regained lost strength in 4 weeks. 3. Caffeine. Stimulates CNS, increases cortisol, blocks adenosine signaling, poor sleep. Even hidden caffeine in supplements can reduce growth hormone and muscle repair. Example, Gloria, 81, removed caffeine from nighttime fat burner. Hand grip improved 19%, sleep restored, strength returned in a month. Gentlemen, here's the good news. You don't have to accept muscle loss as a fact of aging. With D3, zinc, and proper timing, you can. Wake up less sore, move with more ease and confidence, reclaim strength and independence. These are small, practical changes that have massive long-term benefits for your mobility and dignity. Here's your nighttime action plan. Take vitamin D3 with dinner, take zinc 2 hours before bed, avoid B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine at night. If you're serious about building strong, resilient muscles, I've created a 30-day muscle recovery meal plan with 90+ high-protein, collagen-rich recipes designed to maximize overnight muscle repair and avoid sabotage from the wrong supplements. Link in the pinned comment and description. Tomorrow, I'll reveal a leg strength secret that increases muscle activation by 34% without exercise. This is exclusive for subscribers. Hit subscribe now. Remember, age is not the end of strength. With the right nutrients, timing, and habits, you can restore power, confidence, and independence. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter. Stay consistent, sleep well, and rebuild the muscles that serve you for years to come.